In this presentation, I want to take a look and demonstrate how content creators, journalists, analysts can use KChat in order to create an index into all of the content that they produce or they have curated and meet their users where they are at. Let's take a look to see what that means and how it all works. But before I show you KChat, I want to quickly explain why I chose Awaken the Wonder for this demo site and volunteer advocacy for the URL. We live in information silos. We are getting our information from algorithms or from news channels that are highly biased. The way to make people get outside of their bubble is to expose them to content that they may not have considered before. Therefore, awaken the wonder to get people to ask questions about their belief systems by allowing them to ask a question and then get references that is outside of their sphere of influence. Now let's take a look at KChat. The true application of KChat for content creators, political campaigns, analysts is not for the GPT to provide a detailed answer, but for the GPT to give you a summary and index into the content. Let's try and see how it works. I'm going to ask a question about climate change. Have we reached a tipping point in climate change? What are the extreme signs? And now the KChat is going to look at the content that we have curated and provide an answer. And again, you see a reference and a timestamp. Scientists are increasingly nervous. Global mean surface temperature has risen. And again, the reference, the timestamp, so you can actually go and find the answers. And then you have the two references. So when people click on this, they're going to land on the source of the information. They can use the references to quickly go and find answers to their questions, but most importantly, to view the actual content, to learn about the entire context and presentation. The idea is for you to generate more views for your content and give references. And moreover, your visitors can now share this content with their community. Right now, we are sharing the entire every one of these posts. In the future, we're gonna have sharing per segment. So I'm gonna give you an example. If I click on the Twitter one, it's going to copy everything you see along with the links. And in this way, you'll be able to share the content and get more views, or you users and advocates can share the content and get more views, especially when you're in a political climate where people are looking for answers to their questions. Everyone is looking for great content to share, and this is an important way of doing this. So KChat is an ideal tool for content creators. To convince yourself that KChat is for you, it's easy. Just get Curator, add a number of different content posts to your curator, create a KChat, ask some questions, and see how it works. The best testimonial is your own. Give it a try.